as in number system two types of numbers comes, that is real and imaginary. In the real number there are again two types, rationals and irrationals. Now I will speak to you, I will tell you something about irrational numbers, or you can say operations on the irrational numbers. What kind of operations are possible? Which are the like terms? Which are the unlike terms? So all that needs to be discussed in this topic of the irrational numbers. Before it, I just want to introduce you one more very important term which comes in the unit real numbers, that is especially in the category of irrational numbers, that is surds. So question raised, what is a surd? In fact, surd is an irrational number, but every irrational number is not a surd. So before it, I want to tell you what actually is a surd. If I write here an irrational number like nth root of a, so what are the properties to make this result as surd? First of all, I want to tell you this is the base, or you can write this value as a to power 1 upon n, because here powers are 1. This is nth root, so it can be written as a raised to the power 1 upon n. My purpose is to tell you whether this is surd or not. So I am taking an example. If I say cube root of 8. Cube root of 8, is it a surd or not? The value of cube root of 8 is 8 is to power 1 upon 3. Can be written as 2 cube whole to the power 1 upon 3. 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. This is 2 cube power 1 upon 3. Become 2 is to power 3 into 1 upon 3. Become what? 2. So I want to tell you the cube root of 8 is what? 2. 2 is what? Natural. 2 is what? We can say whole number. 2 is what? Integer. 2 is what? Rational number. So this result of cube root of 8 is a rational number, but in my initial I told you the surd is always what? Irrational. So this result is not a surd. Now if I say that is square root of 5, suppose square root of 5 is to be discussed, then their order of surd is what? 2. Nothing is written. This is known as order of surd. Here 2. Here order of this expression is 3. Order of this value is n. This is known as the order of surd. And this is what? This is known as radicand. So if this radicand is what? 5. Here radicand is what? A. So the property for an expression of the form nth root of a to be a surd, radicand must be rational number. First property. This is radicand. The value, the order of surd must be a natural number greater than or equal to 2. And the net answer, the final answer must be what? The final answer must be an irrational number. Then that is known as surd. So in case of this, 5 is the radicand, 5 is natural, 5 is whole, 5 is integer, 5 is rational. So radicand in this case is rational. Order is 2 and its answer, the value, net value of square root of 5 is always what? Irrational result, irrational number. So we can say this square root of 5 is a surd, whereas cube root of 8 is not a surd. What is the reason that cube root of 8 is not a surd? Because its net answer is coming to which is the rational number. But as per definition of surd, there are 3 things to be remembered. Order must be 2 or more. Radicand must be rational. And final answer should be always. Now I am taking an example. where I need to check whether this expression is surd or not. Suppose I write here that is fourth root of 16. Is it a surd or not? The answer seems to be surd. How? This is fourth root of 16. Can be written as 16 is to power 1 upon 4. 16 can be written as 2 is to power 4 is to power 1 upon 4. Net result is a natural number, rational number. So this part is not a surd. Though its base, or you can say radicand, is rational. Order is more than 2. But final answer is coming as a rational number. Hence it is not a surd. Now if I ask you, that is, if I say 2 plus root 3, it's what, which root, which part? Fifth root of this. It is clearly not a surd. The reason is the base, the radicand. 2 plus root 3, sum of a rational with an irrational is always irrational. But this base, the radicand, must be a rational. So it is a failure on the first step, that its radicand is not a rational, it is an irrational. So this is also not a surd. If I say that is square root of 8, in case of square root of 8, I can write here what? 2. Can be written as square root of 2 into 2 into 2, its value is 2 root 2. So it is a surd, because final answer of square root of 8 is 2 root 2 is an irrational number, radicand is rational, order is 2, but it is not pure surd. It is what? It is a mixed surd. It is the product of a rational and an irrational number. So square root of 8 is what? Is a pure surd. But this is possible to convert in 2 root 2, which is known as the mixed surd. This 2 is what? This 2 is known as its rational part, whereas under root 2 is known as irrational part. Similarly, in case of cube root of 54, we can say it is what? Cube root of 3 into 3 into 3 into 2. So this can be written as 3 cube root of 2. Cube root of 54 seems to be what? Pure surd. Final answer is irrational, but it has one of the irrational part, cube root of 2, rational part 3. So this is, in this shape, it is pure surd, but when it is simplified, it is what? Mixed surd. So surds are of two types, pure and mixed. And property needs to remember, final answer is irrational, radicand rational, and this should be a natural number, 2 or more. Then by taking few examples, you just can see that which numbers are surd or which numbers are not surd. Like 2 plus root 3. If I say its net answer is what? Irrational, but it is really not surd. Similarly, 2 minus root 3, it is not surd. So remember which numbers are to be taken as surd. Surds are the number where radicand is what? Radicand is taken as rational. Order of surd is taken as what? That is the natural number, 2 or more, and final answer has to be what? Irrational. Similarly, if I say that is nth root of k. Nth root of k is radicand, n is its order, and if this result nth root of k is irrational, then this is supposed to be taken as what? This needs to be taken as its surd, where k has to be rational, radicand, n has to be the natural number, 2 or more, and final answer must be what? Irrational. So this is the way to identify that which expressions, which values, which terms are given are surd or not. Now I will tell you how we say which surds are like, which surds are not like, and how we add, subtract, multiply or divide. Now I want to give you few examples. With the help of that, you will come to know, you will learn to understand that which surds are like and which are not like. Suppose I am taking that is cube root of 16 and cube root of 54. My question is that are these two surds? First answer comes yes. Cube root of 16 can be written as 2 into cube root of 2, because 16 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 times. So this becomes 2 cube root of 2. And this part is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 2. So this becomes 3 into cube root of 2. So yes, these are surds. These are possible to express in the mixed form. And what are the surds? These are like surds. Why? Because here first surds rational part is 2, irrational part is cube root 2. In the second case rational part is 3, irrational part is cube root of 2. If two surds have their same irrational part, then these surds are said to be what kind of surds? Like surds. So these surds are like surds. Yes. So if these are like surds, these surds can be added, can be multiplied, can be divided. If I want to ask you that how to add 2 cube root of 2 plus 3 cube root of 2, whenever you want to add the like surds, take their irrational part as common. This becomes cube root of 2 common. We left with 2 plus 3. So answer is coming as 5 cube root of 2. This is the addition. Similarly, in case of subtraction, if you want to subtract 2 cube root of 2 minus 3 cube root of 2, what we will get? Cube root of 2 is the same. We will take cube root of 2 is common. We left with 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So this becomes minus 1 into cube root of 2. This is the difference. In case you want to multiply 2 cube root of 2 into 3 cube root of 2. So we will multiply the rational part with rational. So 3 2s are 6. And as the order of these two surds is same, because these are the like surds, can be written as cube root of 2 into 2. So the answer is coming out to be 2 cube root of 4. Product. In case of division, what we can do? 2 cube root of 2. If you want to divide by 3 cube root of 2, then cube root of 2, cube root of 2 cancelled. Answer comes as 2 by 3. So I have told you which are the like surds if their irrational part is same. You can add, you can subtract, you can multiply, you can divide the surds only and only when what has to be if the surds are